Hi, Phil here from Mr. Mechanic. Looking for a reliable warehouse forklift? Check out this fully refreshed 3,000-pound capacity electric forklift, built for efficient, everyday material handling. This clean, freshly repainted unit features a wide-view mast, giving operators outstanding visibility for safer, smoother loading and unloading. It comes equipped with a 3-stage mast, offering a maximum lift height of 189 inches and a lowered height of just 82 inches, making it an excellent choice for warehouses and high-reach racking applications. What makes this forklift stand out is a feature you don't often find on a 3-wheel electric forklift. It comes equipped with solid pneumatic tires. These tires provide superior traction when operating outdoors in snow or rain, giving you added versatility without sacrificing indoor performance. This unit also includes a side shift, making every lift easier and more efficient. This forklift has been fully serviced, certified, and is backed by warranty, with delivery available anywhere across Canada. Come down and see it for yourself before you buy, but don't wait. Units like this don't stay available for long. For more information, give us a call at 905-275-8072. Mr. Mechanic, big enough to help, small enough to care.